today I'm going to teach you how to kickflip on a skateboard. So basically, you're going to want to start out by putting your feet, when you're beginning, your back foot right here, okay? Your front foot is going to be right here, okay, like that. And when you pop, oh, sorry, it's cold outside and that's why I'm wearing jeans. I look kind of weird. So basically, when you do that, you can line your middle toe up with this bolt, and then what you're gonna do is basically pop, and then with this foot, it's gonna go like that and flick off, and the board is going to flip like that. You're gonna do that. Okay? And your back foot is gonna be right here, just to catch it. And then this other foot is out here. Come down on it too. Like that. That's kind of the foot setup. Now you've got to learn how to pop, flick, and jump and all that. Alright, so basically your feet will do that, and then don't start out jumping, just start out by doing that, and then with that on this foot will flick off after you jumped, and then you're just going to land. Terrible trick tip, I know. But, there's no other good way, is there? Alright, let me try and show you one. I'll show you from the front and then the back. Okay, that was really sketchy, but that's basically the idea of kickflip. And yeah, thanks for watching.